If you are a 12th pass candidate who is looking for a job, then watch this video till then as you will know the 10 highest paying jobs for a 12th pass candidate. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we will be talking about 10 highest paying jobs for a 12th pass candidate. Make sure to watch this video till then as you will know a easy method by which you can get hired for these jobs. Before we dive into the video, please do not forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Let's get started. The first job on this list is electrical technician. The average salary for this post in India comes out to be rupees 13,300 per month. Some of the job responsibilities include assembling, evaluating, testing and maintaining electrical or electronic wiring in equipment or appliances, troubleshooting or maintaining malfunctioning equipments, and the next job on this list is warehouse worker. The average salary for this post in India comes out to be rupees 14,500 per month. Some of the job responsibilities include completes shipment by processing and loading orders, complete deliveries by driving truck or van to and from vendors. The third job on this list is of receptionist. The average salary for this post comes out to be rupees 15,000 per month. Some of the job responsibilities include maintain security and telecommunication system, serves visitors by greeting, welcoming and directing them appropriately. The fourth on this list is retail sales executive. The average salary for this post comes out to be rupees 16,000 per month. Some of the duties of retail sales executives include demonstrating outstanding customer service and selling skills, assisting in a display of merchandise or organizing selling floors or stock areas. Number 5 on this list is video editor. The average salary for this post comes out to be rupees 16,000 per month. Some of the responsibilities of a video editor include manage and oversee all technical aspects of a video recording and editing, assembling raw video materials and converting them into a suitable finished product ready for broadcasting. At number 6, we have delivery executive. The average salary for this post comes out to be rupees 17,000 per month. Some of the duties of a delivery executive includes make timely deliveries of the products they are handed to respective customers, ensuring the safety of the products the clients have ordered. Next on this list is makeup artist. The average salary comes out to be rupees 18,000 per month. Some of the job responsibilities include apply makeup in a professional way, communicate with clients to understand their needs and wants. Number 8 on this list is data entry operator. The average salary comes out to be rupees 17,500 per month. Some of the job responsibilities include preparing and sorting documents for data entry, entering data into database software and checking to ensure the accuracy of the data that has been imputed. Coming in at number 9 on this list of jobs, we have gym instructor. The average salary for this post comes out to be rupees 18,000 per month. Some of the job responsibilities include monitor exercising customers and providing fitness assessment and feedback, providing personal training or prescribing workout programs for customers. At last, at number 10, we have security officer. The average salary comes out to be rupees 22,200 per month. Some of the job responsibilities include secures premises and personnel by patrolling property, monitoring surveillance equipment. There you go. Those were the top 10 highest paying jobs for a 12th pass candidate. Now coming at the easy method, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, by which you can get hired for these jobs. Download the WorkX app from Play Store and register as a candidate. There are plenty of vacancies for these jobs, and if you apply, you can get hired easily. If you still have any questions, please feel free in the comments below, and like the video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. If you have other topics in mind that you would want us to talk about, do let us know. We would love to create videos that would help you grow. Lastly, if you know someone who could get benefit from this video, like the video and share this video with them as well.